Hey, it's Moira, and today we're going to begin our tutorial looking at how educators can build student information literacy skills with online tools such as Google Read and Write. We're starting our tutorial on the Ladysmith Secondary research page. From here, we can explore academic articles and encyclopedias to help students recognize reliable and credible sources of information. Imagine our Science 8 teacher wants us to research characteristics of certain organisms. We're interested in jellyfish. We begin our research using World Book. However, for many students, academic text can be difficult to understand. Google Read and Write is an online tool that can help students research and record information. The first thing we're going to do is begin by simplifying our text. Simplifying text removes any images, links, or ads from the text, which is a really great feature, especially for online articles. As we simplify our text, we can click on the negative and plus icons to make it smaller, to reduce the amount of information, or to add information. We're going to start with here. Now that we've simplified our text, we can use features such as reading,
Jellyfish. Jellyfish is any of certain water animals that have jelly-like material supporting their soft bodies. In biology, the terms jellyfish and medusa refer to a stage in the life cycle of these animals. Jellyfish range in size from microscopic to about 7 feet, 2.
Reading the text can help students understand new and unknown words, but another feature to help students, especially when they're learning a new concept, is the online dictionary. So clicking this dictionary icon here, we can have our words read to us.
Adjective. So small as to be invisible without a microscope, differences were microscopic in quote.
We can also use another feature for students who are English language learners, such as Google Translate, using this icon here.
Microscopic. Microscopique.
This is great for our French immersion students that can translate from French to English, but it also has another 109 languages in which it can translate to, helping many of our English as a second language learners or English language learners. Once students have been able to use tools to comprehend text, we can begin to gather information. The highlight tools is one great way to teach students how to gather like ideas and to organize their information. When teaching students how to highlight information, it's really important that we tell them not to highlight the entire sentence or material, but to find some common words or phrases that they'd like to copy. So let's start with what students' characteristics of jellyfish. We can look at their life cycles and then any other interesting information. Starting with some characteristics, descriptive details. So they have jelly-like material that support their soft bodies. We're going to highlight that yellow. They range in size, so their sizes are from microscopic to about 7 feet. You can put that in yellow. Jelly-like material serves as a skeleton to support their fragile body. So they have a fragile body wall, and that helps them float in water. Okay. As we read this, we also learn a little bit about their tentacles. So we have our tentacles that hang down from their entire body. All right, this is an interesting fact. So jellyfish includes, put that into blue. They often live along sea coasts, so we have saltwater animals. All right, here's an interesting fact about how they swim. So that's expanding their bodies. It's interesting. And then pulling it together rapidly. All right, this is a little bit about its life cycle. So what it eats, it catches small animals in its tentacles or arms. And we also find out that they can be eaten by fish and sea turtles. All right, this is interesting that they can be painful and dangerous stings to people. And sea wasps, or box jellyfish, inject poison, deadlier than snake venom. That's pretty interesting as well. So once we've gone through our paragraph and we've highlighted some ideas that we'd like to use in our gathering all of our research, we can now collect our highlights. By clicking Collect Highlights, what it's going to do is it's going to open up a new document for us. On this new document, we have this link down here that says jellyfish. This link will bring us back to our web page, and so that we can easily cite our information. Now that we've collected our like ideas, we're going to start to record information using a couple more features of Google Read and Write. The first one I want to explore is talk and type. Students can use talk and type to take their ideas and create a sentence. For instance, jellyfish are microscopic animals that can also grow up to 7 feet, period. They have a fragile body wall that helps them float in water, and tentacles that hang down from the edges of their bodies, period. Jellyfish use their tentacles to catch small animals, period. Fish and turtles feed on jellyfish, period. Students can easily look at their information to create sentences, but another great feature for students is using the predictive text. It mimics similar to what their cell phones do. So using predictive text, as we type, words will come up and we can select by the words
jellyfish,
as we go through and have it read it to us. These are great features for students who struggle with typing or spelling and can help improve their written output. Finally, once students feel confident in what they've written, another tool that we can use is a spelling grammar check. So we have this icon here with the check mark to look through our work. So we have, consider that. Here we don't have our capitalization, so they're going to capitalize for us just to help students as they edit and proofread and polish their text. Google Read and Write is a fantastic tool for improving students' information literacy skills, such as collecting, gathering information, and recording their data. Thank you so much. I hope that you have fun playing around with these features and enjoy as you explore all that Google Read and Write has to offer.